Hey everyone, so in today's video I am going to recreate this look that you see right here using Bollyglow products. So this is their entire eye range and I'm going to use 3 of them to create this look. First, I am starting with the Bollyglow Blueprint Precision Pen Eyeliner. As you can tell, it has a very intense payoff. I absolutely love eyeliners in this shade of blue, and I am just drawing a very thick winged eyeliner, and I'm going to use this as a base. Next, I am adding on the Idolize shadow liner in the shade Monday Blues on top of the blue eyeliner that we've already drawn to add some glitter on top of it and make the blue pop even further. The shadow liner comes with this end that you can use to smudge the eyeliner, and I'm just using that to make sure that the glitter is spread evenly on the liner. And then I am using the liner to just sharpen the wing. Next, I'm taking the shade Blue Royalty and using that to tightline both my upper and lower lash line. And I love how this color adds a little bit of dimension. I love how soft the pencils are. To finish the eye look, I am going to use their 3D4 Soft Mink Lashes in Belly Light. I haven't worn false lashes in a while, so I had to do this off camera, but I really like the finish of the lashes. And finally, to finish up the look, I'm going to use their nude lipstick in the shade Send Nudes. I thought that was a very cheeky name, and just using that all over my lips, and that's it. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think of it in the comments down below, and also make sure you are subscribed for more videos. And that's it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.